What's up, guys? It's Becky with the Daydreaming Unicorn, and I am here today. We're gonna fill this hole. Okay, so this is a pretty big hole, so about 1 inch deep. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fill it. I wasn't started the video. Okay, so I don't know. So I have a inch hole here. It's about 1 inch deep, and in diameter, roundish. Now I have these old packing peanuts, these little things. So I filled this hole. Right, then I'm gonna get some glue. So hold on, I'm just gonna get this carpenter glue. When it dries, we're going to add some of this on the top. Hi guys, it's Becky again with the Daydreaming Unicorn. So here's my hole. That's filled with wood glue. Hey guys, it's Becky with the Daydreaming Unicorn, and let's check out my hole. This one, guys. Woo, wow, what are you guys thinking? And here's Taco. Hey, Taco. Get a pup cup today. Hi, say hi. She's checking out my hole too. Okay. Anyway, guys, look at there. Solid. Okay, so we're just gonna sand it. She's right here. Okay. Oh. I have a helper today. Yep. Yeah, it may seem boyfriend, but she's professional. She's helping. Yep, there she is. There she is. Okay, look. Pretty good, huh? Yeah, we think it's good. We think it's good. Okay. She gets distracted easy. Oh, okay. My friends. She is real loud. She doesn't stay focused very easy. Ah, Jesus. It's my daughter in here also, guys. She's like she knows I'm doing a video right now. And I'm getting ready to turn the camera around and put her on the video.
I'm helping your views.
You're helping my demons?
Your views.
Oh, I'm not live.
Well, yeah, but you're gonna post that, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, make sure your hole is smooth to the touch.
Are you really gonna be posting this?
Yes. Okay. My daughter doesn't think I'm gonna post this, but I am. Okay. Let's get some water on. Here we go. Look at that. It's pretty smooth. Let's say it's pretty level. So there you go. That's how you fill a hole. Have a good day.